Hey to all, I have a problem transferring data from my phone to my computer. This data includes video files, audio files, photos taken on an Android phone. The computer and laptop do not see these files, and there are a lot of reasons. But one of the reasons, I will reveal in this video. First of all, in order to transfer files from an Android phone to a laptop, we need a wire from the charging system. Here is my charger. I take off the cord, pull one connector into the phone and connect the second connector to the USB connector of the laptop. I installed and let's see what's going on. The auto-run graph appears. The laptop sees our phone at the moment. This is already good. We close it. Go to our Qubit P40 device. It is visible. We open it and here the screen is empty. This happened due to the fact that the phone is not configured for data transfer. You see, the charging comes from the laptop, but the laptop does not see the files. We look at the settings, go to the settings of the USB connector device. We see the USB setting without data transfer. We need to switch to file transfer. Now the laptop sees all the files on the phone. We go into a folder called DSAM, then camera. We see the files, select the ones we need, copy and transfer to the disk of our laptop. The problem could also be an oxidized USB connector. It is necessary to check all plugs of USB connectors to reboot. If this does not help, you need to check for the presence of drivers. Download the necessary drivers. To do this, go to My Computer, System Properties, Device Manager. We see in the Device Manager all our drivers. If there are not enough drivers, there is a question mark, or a yellow exclamation mark, then you need to update the driver. Perhaps the process of transferring data from your phone to a laptop will then appear. There is still such a problem. When transferring files from Android to a computer, the file is upside down. And if the photo can be easily flipped by clicking on the arrows, then this trick will not work with the video. We open the file in Windows Media Player. We see the file lies sideways. I did not find a way to rotate this file correctly in Windows Media Player. I found a way out. I downloaded the GOM Player program. It's free. It's easy to find it. Type in GOM Player in the search engine, download it and go to this English language site. Download the program, install a shortcut on your desktop. Now open the video files again using the GOM Player program. The video immediately became vertical, without any settings. If the video did not open correctly, then you need to configure it, in the settings where the gear is, then the video. Move the mouse down. Rotate 90,180, 270 degrees. Rotate as you see fit. Next, we exit the program and the video stands vertically. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.